In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a project in Framer, ensuring you manage your workspace efficiently by removing unwanted or old projects. Let's dive into the process to keep your Framer dashboard clutter-free and organized. First, open Framer on your computer. Once you launch the application, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is the main area where all your projects are listed. You've likely organized and worked on various projects, and over time, some might not be needed anymore. So finding the right project to archive is a great way to start managing that space. On your dashboard, you will see your list of projects prominently displayed. Carefully scan through the ease to locate the specific project you'd like to archive and ultimately delete. Once you've identified it, spot the three dots icon associated with that project. This icon typically represents more options or settings related to that particular project. Click on it to reveal additional options. Among the options you'll see after clicking the three dots is Archive. Selecting Archive is crucial, as it moves your project from your active list into a separate section, helping you keep your main dashboard tidy while you decide which items no longer serve a purpose. Once you have successfully archived the project, turn your attention to the left side of the screen, where an archive folder or section will be visible. This is where projects are stored temporarily before permanent deletion. Now, click to open the Archive section. In this space, you can see all projects that you previously archived. It's like a holding area for potential deletion, providing you with a safety net should you change your mind about removing them permanently. Find the project you just archived. With the project selected, look for the Delete option. Clicking Delete here will prompt you to make a final decision. Framer wants to be certain you're ready to permanently remove this project, which is why there's an additional step. So next, you'll need to confirm your choice. Once you see the option to Delete Project, click it. This action will ensure the complete removal of the project from Framer. It's an important step as it wipes the project from your account, and there's no turning back once you confirm this action. Consider this final point of confirmation a critical step that prevents accidental deletions, so always double-check that you don't need the project anymore. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully archive and delete projects in Framer, keeping your workspace streamlined and efficient. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough. Be sure to stay organized and manage your projects wisely.